Hello everyone, this is your Lekkala Master Haragopal. In this video, I am going to discuss one interesting problem from quadratic equation which is helpful for your NTSE preparation. This problem is purely at NTSE level. Just if you are able to solve the quadratic equations and if you are able to remember the basic properties of exponents and powers, very easily you can understand the solution of this problem. Without wasting time, let me introduce the question. Just have a look here. Find the number of integers for x which satisfies x square minus 5x plus 5 whole to the power of x square minus 11x plus 30 is equal to 1. So if you observe carefully the given expression, whatever it is there with the quadratic expressions, there are two different quadratic expressions were there. We know very well how to solve the quadratic equations, but here very interestingly, the question was framed with the help of two different quadratic equations, something as base and exponents, which is equal to 1. Here, we are supposed to solve this problem in different cases. Why I am saying in different cases? Just to have a look here. If a power b is equal to 1, what are the possibilities for a and b? If a to the power of b is equal to 1, we know the basic properties of exponents and power. Anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. For example, a power 0 is equal to 1. If you are able to compare these two, a power b is equal to 1, a power 0 is equal to 1. What does it mean? Definitely b value should be 0. So if a power b is equal to 1, one possibility is b is 0. And 1 to the power of any defined value, 1 to the power of any defined value is always equal to 1. So in that case, whatever it is there, a power b is equal to 1, a value may be equal to 1, either b equal to 0 or a equal to 1. There is one more possibility is there. We'll discuss about that third possibility at the end of the problem. Just have a look here. If a power b is equal to 1, either b equal to 0 or a equal to 1. So we apply the same thing in this particular problem also. So what was given? X square minus 5x plus 5 whole to the power of x square minus 11x plus 30 is equal to 1. So let us consider case 1. In case 1, I am considering whatever the power is there, x square minus 11x plus 30, I am considering that value is equal to 0. What does it mean? X square minus 11x plus 30 is equal to 0. Then whatever it may be the base here, definitely the entire value will be equal to 1. So x square minus 11x plus 30 equal to 0. If you observe, this is a normal quadratic equation. With the help of factorization method only, we could solve this one. So simply 1 and 30, if you take aside, we are going to get plus 30. If you factorize, so minus 5 into minus 6 will matches for the middle term. So simply we can rewrite the given, or we can rewrite this quadratic equation as x square minus 5x minus 6x plus 30. So from the first two terms you can take x common. From the next two terms you can take minus 6 common. You are going to get x of x minus 5 minus 6 of x minus 5. On the whole, you are going to get x minus 5 into x minus 6 is equal to 0. So if you equate individually to the 0, you are going to get x equal to 5 and x equal to 6 are the two integer values for given question. And we are going to take another case here. So here what we took? Power is equal to 0 we took. Suppose if the base value is equal to 1, as we discussed, either b equal to 0 or a equal to 1. Here the base x square minus 5x plus 5, whatever it is there, suppose it may be equal to 1. So that case I am taking here case 2, x square minus 5x plus 5 equal to 1 I am taking. So if you transpose 1 to that side, what you are going to get? X square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0 you are going to get. Again with the simple factorization method only, if you solve, you are going to get x minus 4 into x minus 1 as the factors for the given quadratic equation. So x equal to 1 and 4 are the two integer values for this case. On the whole, here we got 5 and 6, here we got 1 and 4. And I said there is one more possibility when a power b equal to 1. So just observe carefully, a value may be minus 1 and b value may be even number. When minus 1 to the power of even number, definitely we are going to get plus 1. So in that case, consider as a case 3, whatever the given equation for us, x square minus 5x plus 5 whole to the power of x square minus 11x plus 30 is there. In that one, so if you consider x square minus 5x plus 5 is equal to as minus 1. Here we took as plus 1, but here minus 1. So if you take that one, if you transpose minus 1 to this side, you are going to get x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Again with the factorization method only, if you factorize this one, you are going to get x minus 2 into x minus 3 as the factors. If you equate, you are going to get x equal to 2 and 3 are the two different integer values for this situation. Here we got 5 comma 6, here we got 4 comma 1, here we got 2 comma 3, and if you take 2 and 3 and substitute in the power, definitely that power you are going to get the even number. I mean x equal to 2 and x equal to 3, if you substitute individually in x square minus 11x plus 30, you are going to get the even numbers only. So on the whole, whatever it may be the given question given to us, they are asking to find out the number of integers for x. So if you observe carefully, in 3 different cases, we got two different values here. So totally, there exist 6 different integers for x such that x square minus 5x plus 5 whole to the power of x square minus 11x plus 30 is equal to 1. So my dear children, with the help of basic properties of exponential powers and the basic solving of quadratic equation, one of the beautiful questions at NTSE level. Hope you understand and enjoyed this problem very well. So in the next video, we'll meet with another interesting problem. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. Your Lekkala Master, Hargopal.